In this video you seen what is Amazon, how to get success in Amazon and how to build your future with the help of Amazon. So subscribe my channel for more informative video about online earning. So let's start. Amazon is a global technology company that provides a variety of products and services, including e-commerce, cloud computing, and artificial intelligence. Amazon was founded by Jeff Bezos in 1994 and is headquartered in Seattle, Washington. The company has a strong focus on innovation and has played a significant role in the development of e-commerce and cloud computing. There are many ways that Amazon can help build the future, including e-commerce. Amazon is one of the world's largest online retailers and has revolutionized the way people shop. Cloud computing. Amazon Web Services, AWS, is a leader in cloud computing, providing a range of services such as storage, analytics, and machine learning. Artificial intelligence. Amazon is using artificial intelligence in a variety of ways, including in its fulfillment centers and in the development of new products and services. Sustainability. Amazon has a number of initiatives focused on sustainability, including efforts to reduce its carbon footprint and to use more renewable energy. Social responsibility. Amazon has a number of programs in place to give back to the community, including partnerships with organizations that support education and workforce development. Overall, Amazon is a company that is constantly looking for ways to innovate and make a positive impact on the world. There are several factors that can contribute to success when working with or at Amazon. Focus on the customer. Amazon puts a strong emphasis on customer satisfaction and continuously looks for ways to improve the customer experience. Innovate. Amazon encourages employees to come up with new ideas and think outside the box. Work hard and be reliable. Learn new skills, so it's important to be open to learning and growing. Be a team player. Amazon values collaboration and teamwork, so it's important to be able to work well with others. Embrace change. Amazon is a company that is always evolving and changing, so it's important to be able to adapt and embrace change. Overall, success at Amazon often requires a combination of hard work, innovation, and a strong customer focus. There are many factors that can contribute to success at Amazon. Some tips that may be helpful include: focus on the customer. Amazon is known for its strong focus on customer satisfaction, so it's important to always keep the customer in mind and strive to exceed their expectations. Embrace innovation. Amazon is a company that values innovation, so it's important to be open to new ideas and ways of doing things. Set clear goals. It's important to have a clear vision of what you want to achieve and to set specific, measurable goals to help you stay on. There are many factors that can contribute to success at Amazon. Some tips that may be helpful include: focus on the customer. Amazon is known for its strong focus on customer satisfaction, so it's important to always keep the customer in mind and strive to exceed their expectations. Embrace innovation. Amazon is a company that values innovation, so it's important to be open to new ideas and ways of doing things. Set clear goals. It's important to have a clear vision of what you want to achieve and to set specific, measurable goals to help you stay on track. Work hard and be proactive. Success at Amazon often requires a strong work ethic and a willingness to take initiative. Build strong relationships. Building strong relationships with coworkers and customers can be key to success at Amazon. Stay up to date with industry developments. Keeping up with industry trends and staying current on new technologies and techniques can help you stay ahead of the curve. There are many factors that contribute to success at Amazon. Here are a few suggestions for how to be successful at the company. Set clear goals and work towards them. Success at Amazon often requires a strong sense of purpose and the ability to stay focused on your goals. Be a strong team player. Amazon places a strong emphasis on teamwork and collaboration. It's important to be able to work well with others and contribute to the success of your team. Take ownership of your work. Amazon values employees who take initiative and are willing to take on responsibility. Be open to learning and growth. Amazon is a fast-paced, constantly evolving company. It's important to be open to learning new things and to be willing to adapt to change. Be customer obsessed. Amazon's success is built on providing excellent customer service. It's important to always keep the customer in mind and to be willing to go above and beyond to meet their needs.